Ready, go. Start. Sige na. Maya pa. Ayaw ha. To your left. Ay, ginawa ko nga nung misul pa magka. Ay, ayaw. Pala naman. Ay, ginawa ko lang. Ay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay na. Good. Time's up. So, sige. Ayusin. Nandiyan pa rin. Sige na, ikuan day. Dika nung. Kaderimi. Kuan mo itong kaderimi. 17 mo itong kaderimi.
Ako, murag nani sa kuan. 1, 2, 3.
Ilang day mo deriya? Pagkan nung to?
17,
700. Oh, 17 plus 500. Imo day?
11, 12,
Dili mo mag-deriya.
14,
15, 16, 17.
So, kuan.
16 o 500.
517.
Oh, sige man lamang na. Sa sakong bukas.
8 seconds, ragan.
Ligid challenge. Oh. Okay, Eni, ikaw na. Oo. Ay. Oo, kailangan na. Oo. Hindi pwede basta. Kahit saan? Tayo. Oh, try. Oh, sige.
Aray lang. Parulugin yung gopher yan.
Sige.
Oy!
Puntik na.
Yate.
This is gonna take forever. Marie got a bite. So did Gene. Remy, no bite. Remy got a bite. Cheating. Cheating too. Marie, you all cheat. Just put your arm in there, cheat.
I'm doing my best.
Ay. Kasi may ano ba? Dapat kiss yun. Dapat po. Ito, sabi ko na dito. Wala ka dito.
Diyan ka dito, Mai. Hindi ka may sigo yan. Hey! Wala ka pang tulang ka.
Come on, you're winning. Eat that. I might get a bucket out of this or something.
Yung nila, napangin, nababa.
Gina's catching up to you. Eat the apple. Don't be cheating. You're cheating. Cheating.
Yeah, chilling.
Tapos ulit sa gitna. Kaya rin ito, buto. May buto niya sa'yo. Kaya na, go.
Everybody, use your arm. Everybody's using their arm. There you go. Use your arm. Gina, use your arm. Everybody's using their arm.
Sit versus the bench. Use your
I think Marie won. Marie's getting tired.
Hawakan mo sa ego mo. Bebe.
Bawal na.
Game over. Game over.
Panalo na si Marie.
Si Marie panalo.
Panalo na si Marie. Tutulungan mo ba ako?
Are you going to help me? Tutulungan mo ba ako?
Yes.
Oh, are you gonna help me?
No.
Your mother.
Tutulungan mo ba ako?
Yes. Wait, this is me. Tama na one. Tama siya. You're asking. Yes, I'm gonna help you. Really? Are you helping me? Yes. Are you gonna help me? I'm gonna help you. That's what I want. Are you gonna help me? Ako gonna i-continue ka. Yes, I'm gonna help you. Oh my God. Mali pa si nanay mo kasi in-answer niya, hindi yung transfer na English. Mali yung transfer mo. Delete ko. Sige na, patay ako ang... Ay, ikaw na.
Ipigil mo lang ang mga mata mo.
Just close your eyes.
Correct.
Ha?
Ngumingiti ako dahil masaya ako.
Ano?
Ngumingiti ako dahil masaya ako.
I'm smiling because I'm happy.
May lalaking naghahanap sa'yo sa labas.
There is a man looking for you outside.
Oh!
Your daughter. Your son. No, the son. Okay.
Kilala mo talaga ako.
You really know me.
Oh!
Oh, your turn. Good idea. I listen. Pag may answer, dapat niya i-translate mo sa English.
Sandali lang.
Hold on. Ayaw ko, wait for a minute. Kaya, sandali. Pwede na.